Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today in this video I will show you the latest collection of high heel sandals for the ladies. Dear viewers, as you can see, there are a lot of colors and designs of high heels are present in this video. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end so you can explore different colors and designs of high heels, and you also will be able to watch beautiful feet with beautiful nail paint colors. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch this video till the end, and if you wanna buy these high heel sandals online, then there are a lot of different websites which will deliver you online, but here I will suggest you three websites which are amazon.com, ebay.com and aliexpress.com. So dear viewers, I always try my best to bring you useful content and useful ideas. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video and how was the designs, and also suggest me in the comment section that which kind of content you want to watch at my YouTube channel. So goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with another beautiful video about high heel sandals for the ladies.